We have YouTube videos on lots of different wacky subjects. In a nutshell, circuit bending is the subversive art of taking old dilapidated electronics toys and making them do what they were never originally intended for. Randomly rewiring them to create a new bleeping life form from the primordial wiry landscape. Circuit bending exploits the simple principle that with just a finite number of contact points on a circuit board, or in this case, body parts, you can recombine them to create a seemingly infinite number of new possibilities. If you put a bunch of monkeys on some keyboards, they may eventually type out the entire works of Shakespeare, but it might be a while. The human mind is a sophisticated pattern recognition machine that can instantly perceive faces in the most unlikely of places, like natural rock faces, sculpted by millions of years of weather erosion and volcanic activity. The cut-up technique seems to be the word version of circuit bending. You cut up words and phrases from an existing text source and then just randomly reassemble them to create an endless number of literary masterpieces, or in the case of David Bowie, hit songs. A more simplified version is just a list of words on a spreadsheet where you use the random function to pair them up. What do you get if you cross fireflies with tree? Perhaps a new type of low-energy street light in the form of a genetically modified bioluminescent tree, thus saving the world from an impending energy crisis. What do you get when you cross book with ventriloquist? Well, you could turn the centuries-old art of painting pictures on book edges into a new form of puppetry, a cunning way to introduce kids to the magic of reading. Of course, you can source your words from absolutely anywhere for the cut-up technique. They could be literally under your nose. Or how about reshuffling the epitaphs on headstones in your local graveyard to create a kind of Ouija board type poem? No man drowned in memory gently sleeps through the dust in vain. Or here's a random detour. What about screwed up art? By tracing out the valleys and mountains on your elaborate origami model and crayoning in the spaces, you can create something resembling the shattered fragments in a church stained glass window, or coloured shards in a kaleidoscope. Or why not juxtapose not words but time itself by transforming a mundane shopping trip into a time-travelling adventure? As the till girl says, that will be 1903, sir. Cash or card. The generic supermarket scenery just melts away like soft margarine to reveal the Wright brothers' groundbreaking flight. With a bit of imagination, you can turn even banal shopping receipts into Willy Wonka-style golden tickets to the past or to the future. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to leave a comment and feedback. Now that you've seen that video, you might want to click on these other cardboard adventures.